Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. What better way is there to be a good host than to provide a nice seat for people that they can place their shoes and put them back on at the door? This one from LVB is a gorgeous, really well-built bench that was very easy to put together. This industrial style bench is really roomy and has lots of space for anyone that needs to put their shoes on at the door. It is 47 inches long and actually is very, very sturdy. It holds up to 326 pounds according to the website. I love that it has a small area underneath so that you can place all of your shoes. That way you know that anytime someone comes home, they can easily place them under there for storage. You can see that the wood design on top complements the matte black legs of this bench really, really well. The engineered-minded 11-year-old actually put this bench together for me, and it took her about half an hour. So it was very easy to put together with really good instructions and all of the parts, including extras in case you needed them. This bench is a great industrial style design. It is well made and functional. I love being able to have things in the home that not only look good, but also serve a great purpose. And having shoes by the door is one of them in my mind, and that's my point of view.